Yeah, good afternoon. Sorry, evening. Good evening, everyone. Let me briefly explain how you can use your smart cash to register someone. I got a lot of messages today about that because I believe some persons have reached 15k smart cash and they want to use it to refer someone so they can keep the registration fee to themselves. So just when you log into your dashboard, it's very easy. As you can see, I have 15,200 smart cash. All I just have to do is click on this menu. You see where they write smart P2P. You tap on it. For the fact that I have 15k smart cash. If you have below 15k smart cash, if you have 4,999, you will not see this page. When you click it, it will show you insufficient. So for the fact you have 15k smart cash, you don't need to give the person your link or anything, because you're not getting referral bonus from it, because automatically you have paid yourself. It's just like that money the person wants to pay for coupon code. You have collected the money, keep it to your pocket. You now use your smart cash to pay. You are paying the company with your smart cash. That means you keep the restaurant fee to yourself. That means you are paying yourself without you withdrawing or anything. Like we always say, using your smart cash to register somebody pays you more than when you are waiting for non-refund when you withdraw. So what you have to do is bring out the person details, collect the person details, name, first name, last name, email address, phone number, username and password. This is just all you need. You don't need to give link. You're the one to register the person yourself. Then when you register, you just click on create account. Automatically you have created account for the person. Let's just run a test. I want to create an account now. Let me just run a test. Which account should I create? Let me just Nzuka. Let me create account for my junior brother Chidera. Let me just say Chidera. Chidera Collins 500@gmail.com. Chidera 500. Phone number 070806161. Then you put a password. Once I put the password, I just click create account. See automatically I have registered that person. Because my smart cash have been deducted. Why doesn't show you insufficient? Because automatically you have deducted the smart cash. That means you don't have any. You cannot register another person with that smart. You cannot register.